Hey guys, at the moment we're just in a holding pattern waiting to head down to Victoria, and we're on a friend's property in Brisbane. Whilst we've been looking around, we thought, oh, we've got to do some maintenance and some cleaning up of the van. One thing that I didn't realise until just then when I started poking around, I can actually pull the air conditioner apart. Obviously they have little vent dust little things in there, filters, and we can get them out and give them a thorough clean. Now, for you people who are a bit like me and just go poking and pulling at things, you don't want to go breaking it. What we have here is this outside cover. With the outside cover, it is held on by 4 clips, one on this corner, one on this corner, and one on that corner, one on that corner. The way that I got it out was I thought, well, I pulled down here and it came out like that, just popped out. So then I just got the other side, did the same thing, pulled down, bent it a bit, and it popped out. There you go. So these are the 4 little clips. And if we look, Roz comes up in here, you'll see up in there, they go up and clip up in there. Anyway, so you can take this off and give it a good wipe down, which I've already gone and done, and clean it up, just to get all the dust out of it. What I have noticed, these are the little things that I was talking about, the little filters. So you can get your finger in there, and if you have a look on the outside here, there's actually a little pulling thing. Again, if it's a bit tight, just pull this down and you get them out. And as you can see, I've already given a bit of a clean. Look how filthy that is. So if you look in here, there's oodles of it. I'll rip the other one out and I'll just show you the same. On this side, just pushing my fingers in and bang. So again, like obviously giving them a clean is going to make them work more efficient, but you're not going to be breathing in dust and dirt and crap. So look how clean that's come up. And then to put him back in, we just line it up the top there. Again, you may have to pull the aircon down a little bit. You'll find the groove comes in, bang, good as gold. This one a bit of a clean up, a bit of a tickle. So this is its first ever clean. This is the Ibis Harrier. So it's the same as the Ibis 4, it's just the upper brand. It's only about 200 bucks more, but it's more efficient, it's slimline, and it's a lot quieter than the normal Harrier. So yeah, different people will have different ones, but I dare say they'll all be the same. It all belongs to the Ibis family. Just getting it back in its hole. There we go, got one side in. Got to pull the aircon down a bit, get the other side in. Oh, got it. I'll try. Cool as. And then we grab the, make sure you got it lined up the right way so that this comes over your panel. Go up inside, push, push, and as good as gold. And then to fire him up, now you have a nice clean aircon and keep those dust mites and dirt and dust out. What I am going to do is check the The caravan, I'll have a bit of a poke around with that and see whether there's a way of cleaning that. And if there is, we'll let you know. Catches.